Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I wanna review Fish Audio. So Fish Audio is the text-to-speech AI which you can use for free. And also we will compare it with the most popular text-to-speech AI, ElevenLabs. So let's get started. First of all, let's open up Fish Audio website. And firstly, I advise you to create an account here. To do it, at the top right, click on the user icon and click on login and sign up. Here you can continue with your GitHub or Google account, or just create it. Type your email address right here. Okay, finally I have an account on this website. First of all, you need to understand that Fish Audio AI isn't free completely. You can use this AI for free, but you will have a quota, so you can generate only 200 audios. But by the way, this quota will be resetted very soon. It's really cool. As you probably know, ElevenLabs is a paid service, but it provides 10,000 characters for voiceover per month for free. And now go to the text-to-speech tab. Click on it at the very top. Let's select the first method. You will see this window. So all you need to do is just paste your text right here and then select the necessary voice model. Well, let me also show comparisons of the voices in these AIs. The first one is the Fish Audio. So I select this voice and here is the text. Now just click on generate and play.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues and the forests whispered secrets of old, there existed a...
Here is the first result and the second one from ElevenLabs.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues.
Voices are pretty different. To be honest, I like the result in ElevenLabs more, but Fish Audio offers us more free features. By the way, you can also use voice cloning absolutely for free. Unfortunately, on ElevenLabs, you can't do it for free. If you're not ready to pay for ElevenLabs yet, I definitely advise you to try this service. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a nice day.